Most people get this wrong. They download money-making apps expecting instant income, then quit when they only earn a few cents. Here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, iPhone money-making apps are real, but they work through small tasks, not quick cash shortcuts. In this video, you'll discover the best money-making apps for iPhone in 2026, how they actually pay, and how people like Alex and Sarah are using them to build simple side income streams. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand the system. Most iPhone earning apps fall into three categories: reward apps, task apps, and passive apps. Each one pays differently, and none of them are get-rich-quick tools. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reward apps pay you for simple actions like watching ads, completing surveys, or trying new offers. One of the most popular platforms in this category is Swagbucks. Users earn points for everyday online activity and redeem them for gift cards or PayPal cash. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect high payouts per task. In reality, most tasks pay small amounts, but consistency is what makes them useful. People who stay active daily see steady rewards over time. Now, let's move to task-based earning apps. These apps give you micro-jobs like testing apps, answering surveys, or completing small online actions. The more active you are, the more you earn. Imagine someone like Jake using his iPhone during commute time. He completes short surveys and earns small payouts daily. It's not huge money, but it adds up over time. Now here's the third category, and this is where things get more interesting. Passive earning apps. DENS. These include apps that run in the background or reward you for long-term activity like walking, sharing data, or uploading content. While earnings are slower, they require less active effort after setup. But here's a reality check you need to hear. None of these apps will replace a job or create full-time income. They are designed for side earnings, not financial freedom. The real value comes from stacking multiple apps together and using them consistently. So what actually works best in 2026? If you want fast small rewards, survey and task apps are best. If you want semi-passive income, background apps are better. And if you want long-term earnings, content-based platforms offer the highest potential, but require patience. The key is simple. Treat these apps like digital side tools, not income guarantees. To wrap it up, the best money-making apps for iPhone in 2026 are real, but they only work when you stay consistent, manage expectations, and avoid chasing unrealistic promises. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with the app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.